Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding Tutorial, and in this video I'll show you how to use TextArt Add Text to Photo text editor that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So as you can see, I have my Google Play Store up and running, and in here, so search in TextArt Add Text to Photo, and here it is, the first one. And before we install this up, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So these are the things that you can do with this app. Decorate your photo with funny and cute stickers, ornament and typography, various effects options with fonts, colors, and effects, many fonts options up to 800 free fonts, easily add to text to picture, make your idea come true, and so on. Alright, let's go back and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that Photo Text Editor is a free app that lets you easily write on photo, edit your photo like a professional with multiple available photo effects and functions. The app protects you from losing your creative by auto-saving feature. You can also choose to save your work and continue later on. All the features are easy and free to use. The features of Photo Text Editor: it is professionally designed interface with ease of use to add text to photo. Add text to image with various text effects, fonts, and sample codes. Thousands of handpicked packages of picturesque images. Apply one of the more than 100 photo filters pro. The huge updated text and image library helps you to create more solid pictures than ever before, and much more. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. Alright, so here it is. This is the dashboard or the home page. Text on photo. So you have three options here, as you can see: create, gallery, and my image. So if you want to create right away, then tap the create and you will see this collage gallery store. So you have the option to use colors, transparent background, holiday, lifestyle, light, and so on. Alright, so in this example, we'll just use this one here, lifestyle, and the next. So in here we can add text, and for the text, let's just double tap to edit it. So if you don't want to type in here, you can use the suggestion, you can use the codes in here. So let's just use this one here. I'm a strong person, but every now and then I would like someone to take my hand and say everything will be alright. Okay, let's copy and put it in here, and tap the check mark at the top right portion, and here it is. So we can make it, you can customize it by making it bigger. Okay, and you can also choose a color. So there, let's just use the default one, which is black, and then let's resize as well. Okay, let's do it something like that. For the height, text size, okay, that's not good. Let's just adjust it a little bit. Okay, I think that's good. And also let's add some shadows. Okay, all right, this one's much better. And also neon, let's try this one. Okay, that's the neon effect. Let's add that as well. And border, so you have the option to add borders, and as you can see, it's not going to look nice if you use the default. So let me just go back. All right, so border, let's just remove the border and then go back. Format is where you can change the text to bold, italic, center, and left align, right align, or center. It's up to you. So layers is where you can see the layer. So this is our layer, only the first layer, which is the text. And let's go back. Opacity, you have the option to adjust the opacity as well. And then just scroll down. The gradient, you can apply gradient there if you want that. I'm just going to remove that. And then also palette, you have the option to use this as well. So there's warm and so on. And then curve, there you can change it if you want to. Let's remove that. And background, you can apply some padding there, and then shadow, rounded corners, so it's up to you. Position, you can also adjust the position there. You can rotate it, you can do the manual rotation, or you can just use this one here, there. And to return it back, just tap this one here, there. So clone is where you can clone the sticker, so let's just cancel that one. Texture, there, you can rotate it, you can use the vertical as well. And let's say that we're good with this, we're done with the editing, so we'll just going to save it now. Okay, let's say that that's already good, so tap the check mark at the top right portion, allow, and then you have the option to save it using these resolution, 1920 pixels, 1080p pixel, 720 and 480. So I prefer the full HD, and then you have the option to save it as PNG or JPEG. It's up to you, so I prefer JPEG, and then hit the OK button. And right now your picture is being saved to your gallery, pictures gallery. And you also have the option to share it to your Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and so on. So save the project and then set as wallpaper. It's up to you. Then let's hit the, alright, before you hit the finish, make sure to save the project first. Save project, name it, and let's just name it as example. Save and hit the finish, and there you have it. So now we're back to the home page or dashboard, so we can now add more design if we want to, or we can see, or we can look our work. So this is our first work. So you can see by tapping the your image, you will see all of your works in here. So right now we only have one. Remove ads is where you can remove ads if you see one. So that is for the pro version or premium version if you want to upgrade. So homepage, we're back to homepage again, and again my image is where you can see all of your saved work. Gallery is where you can see all of your gallery. Gallery is where you can see all of your photos that you want to use. And the three, and this one here is where you can see this options: remove ads, rate us, share, and more apps from this developer. So it's up to you if you want to follow them or download more apps from them. So let's go ahead and create another one, and let's say that we're going to use the store. So collage is where you can collage your photos, and then gallery is where you can see all of your photos and the videos if you want to add it. Store is where we can see the store or background store that we can use. So this is a predefined images that we can use. It's downloadable, so, and also this is free to use, so you can use this as long as you like. And let's just download this one here. Time, for the time, let's just use this one here, download. So photo by Pixabay. Okay, there it is. So aspect ratio is where you can change it there depending on your phone, depending on which platform would you like this to be uploaded. So Twitter, Facebook, and so on. So I prefer this one here, the free size. Then tap the check mark, the top right portion, and then we can now edit it by adding text, just like that. So we can add text, we can decorate it by adding borders there. So you just have to look for a border that's really nice. Yes, this one we'll just have to remove it, and this one is, I like this one. So the style is amazing, and let me just adjust it and put it in here. And the text, we can double tap to edit the text. So text, and use the suggestions quotes in here since I don't know what to write. So I'm just going to use this one. Sometimes the heart sees what is invisible to the eye. Right, let's copy that and add it, and let's put it back in here. Let's make this smaller, and also the text let's adjust. Okay, and let's put this one here first, and then the text inside. Okay, so again, you can customize this according to your need. You can resize, you can add colors, shadow, neon, border, palette, curve, background color, clone. It's up to you. So let's say that I'm done with this, done with the editing. So I'm going to save it. All I need to do is tap the check mark at the top right portion, and then you'll see this. So the highest quality is 1920 pixel, or the resolution 1920 pixel, and I recommend this one. The highest resolution, the better. So PNG or JPEG, it's up to you. So I prefer JPEG as well. And there you have it. Your picture is saved successfully. So the path is picture, text, photo, img, number.jpg. And then you can also share to your Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, mail, and so on. So before you hit the finish, make sure to save it and then name the file. So let's say example2, save. And you also have the option to set as wallpaper if you want to. Then tap the finish. So we're done. Let's go back to the home page, and we can create another one if we want to. So as you can see, projects, we have now created 2 projects. So we can create more if we want to. So now you see how easy it is to use this application. Again, it's really easy to use. This is a mobile application that allows you to perform text and photo. You can easily add your favorite quotes to any photo. From there, you absolutely can easily create pictures of sparkling love without spending too much time by photo to text. So again, the features available, you can add visual effects, basic image editing operations, make your own story with Photo Collage Maker, write text and photos easily. Background is designed extremely modern when used to write on photos. Beautifully designed font by Add Text to Photo Editor, and also help you share to social media easily with just one click with Photo Editor with text. So that's it for this video, and I hope that you have learned something for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.